Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and we recently got the RZR-170, the Polaris RZR-170, for the little guy for Christmas. He's seen a couple of videos, and as you can tell, he's been having a little fun the last couple of days with all the mud. He does pretty good on it, but did want to make a video on here. When we got it, one of the headlights did not work. The bulb was burnt out on it, and so I figured I'd just get one, pop it in there, and as I got looking around, I couldn't find what size bulb it was or anything about changing it on YouTube or anywhere. So I just figured while I'm changing them, I'm just going to make a video on it. And I can't tell, it looks like it's got LEDs in there. I got some LEDs. I picked these up at Walmart. It is a 1156 base is what these take. It took a lot of Google and a lot of searching trying to find out what size they were. And I finally, was able to come up with these. And Walmart carried them. They were about 15 bucks for a pair of them. But to change it, it's real simple. You just reach right under here, and there's a little socket you just twist, and it comes right out. And yep, looks like they did have some LEDs in there. So I'm gonna change this one out and pop it back in. Let's see if it works. All right, pretty simple to do. I was hoping I didn't have to take off a lot of parts to get to the cap, but yeah, it popped right off. Super easy. But just wanted to share that if you're looking for them. I know Amazon looked a couple of times and got quite a few different options and different size bulbs on there, but I have seen the ones that came out, these, and then like I said, these are just the simple ones at Walmart. It's a 1156 base is what you look for on these. So it's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.